Hey everybody, I'm Matt and I own and run Cowan Creek Speed Shop. We do a lot of Ford restorations, Ford modifications. We'll stuff a Coyote in anything that a Coyote can fit in, which is almost anything, I'll tell you that. We've built some really cool cars. We have some really cool cars in here right now that we're currently working on. That 68 Fastback right there is a super cool car. Getting a Gen 3 Coyote with a Paxton blower. This is getting a Gen 2 Coyote with a Whipple blower. Both of these are going to be manual cars. This is a manual car. That's a 65 Fastback that we've had here for years. We've brought that car from an absolute piece of garbage up to a pristine show car that it is now. But we've got some cool stuff. And like I said, we've been on TikTok for a while and we've had some people interested. And TikTok has kind of shadow banned us. Don't know why. Our videos are just getting a couple hundred views. Used to, they would get several thousand as soon as we uploaded them. So don't care. TikTok may not be around anyway, and I would much rather be in a long form video platform such as YouTube. I tend to ramble, if you can't tell. So rambling on TikTok is something nobody's going to watch anyway. But we do a lot of really cool stuff here. I do some 3D printing stuff as well. I try to incorporate 3D printing into the automotive world. I'll make little pieces for interior trim. Now we can print in nylon carbon fiber, PPS CF. So I can make things that go under the hood that will take a lot of heat before they melt or deform. So I can make air boxes and intake air tubes and things like that. So things that aren't really offered for sale, I can whip those up in the 3D printer in a few hours and have a new product. So we don't sell anything, it's just stuff that we use. But I'll show some of that too if people have any kind of interest. But like I said, we stuff Coyotes and things, we have a good time. The things we work on aren't normal, so we're not putting brake pads on Subarus. We're not doing any kind of the mundane mechanic task that you see on a lot of channels, and I just kind of think people may want to see it. They may not, so if they don't, that's fine too. But we're gonna try. We're gonna give it a shot and put some of this cool content out there. Can't wait to get this car done, get it out, and let the world see it. It is absolutely fantastic. It's a hand-built, stroked Gen 3 Coyote with a VMP supercharger. In A, it made 637 horsepower. So we're hoping somewhere in the neighborhood of 1,000 at 15 PSI, 14, 15 PSI. So that's what we're looking for. This old F100 over here is actually got a remanufactured, rebuilt 427 side oiler. So real vintage American muscle there. That's gonna be Holley fuel injection. It's got a big built C6 in it, so that should be pretty cool too. But anyway, like I said, this is just a silly introduction video to show the people of YouTube kind of who we are and what we do. Stick around and maybe we'll all have a good time. Okay, bye.